Fact number 15. Dolphins have been trained to be used in wars. Dolphins are widely known as adorable, intelligent animals. What is not as widely known is that these crafty creatures were used largely by the US and the Soviet Union during the Vietnam War and the Cold War. Both countries studied the creatures for their sonar capabilities but also trained them to detect mines, bring equipments to divers, find lost equipment, and guard submarines amongst other nifty tricks. Fact number 14. You have a nail in your body, or at least the components of one. Iron is an important nutrient that the human body needs. It helps your red blood cells carry oxygen, which is necessary for producing energy throughout the body. That's why an iron deficiency presents itself with feelings of exhaustion. Amazingly, a healthy adult has about 3 grams of iron, enough that if it were pulled out and melted down, it could form a nail up to 3 inches long. Fact number 13. There's a decorated war hero dog. While in the trenches of World War I, the US 1st Infantry Division found themselves unable to communicate with other troops because shell fire has damaged the telephone wires. A young private came up with a unique solution. Rags, a mixed breed terrier with whom the soldiers had adopted in Paris, would carry the messages from one division to the next tucked into his collar. He saved many lives, and when Rag passed away in Maryland at the very advanced age of 20, he was buried with military honors. Fact number 12. There's a giant fish with a transparent head. The deepest level of our oceans are some of the least explored areas of the planet. Because of the extreme pressure, cold and dark at these depths, only the very strangest of creatures can survive there. These include giant tube worms, vampire squid, goblin sharks, and viper fish, with teeth so long that they can't close their mouths. Perhaps the strangest, though, is the barrel eye, a large fish with a completely transparent head. Fact number 11. Pringles aren't actually potato chips. The next time you see a can of Pringles, take a closer look. You won't see the word chip anywhere on the packaging. That's because Pringles aren't made up of thinly sliced potatoes, but instead dehydrated potatoes flakes pressed into their signature parabolic shape. That's what makes them less greasy. But when other potato chip manufacturers complained, the Food and Drug Administration ruled that Pringles couldn't be marketed as chips. The company eventually settled on potato crisp. Fact number 10. Some people have an extra bone in their knee. If you're under the impression that the human body had finished evolving, think again. It turns out that some people have a bone in their knee called a fibula, and while this particular little bone with an unknown purpose was one fading away over the last century and a half, it's gotten more common. Back in 1875, nearly 18% of people examined had a fibula. That number dropped to 11% by 1918. However, by 2018, 39% of individuals have this mysterious bone. Number 9. A pharaoh once lathered his slaves in honey to keep bugs away from him. The pharaohs of ancient Egypt were believed to be literally divine. The word pharaoh itself means great house, as in the house of God. In fact, King Pepi II, who supposedly ruled for 90 years, thought so highly of himself that when he was bothered by insects, he would command that one of his slaves be covered in honey to lure the flies away from himself. Fact number 8. The healthiest place in the world is in Panama. A small valley near Volcan in Panama has garnered the distinction of being the world's healthiest place to live, according to a 2018 report by International Living. Called Shangri-La Valley, the area is home to beautiful scenery, a low cost of living, and a significantly longer life expectancy than the surrounding areas. All in all, the world's healthiest areas have some common factors, according to the ranking: a warm climate, an active social scene, healthy food, and a slower pace of life that makes for less daily stress. Number 7. E is the most common letter and appears in 11% of all English words. Try writing out a few sentences, anything at all. Now take a minute to look at how frequently each letter in the alphabet appears. Chances are you will see a lot of the letter is E. That's because the commonly used vowels appears in around 11% of all words in the English language, according to the Oxford dictionaries. The next most popular letter was A, which appears in around 8.5% of all words. The least common letter is Q, which appears in just 0.2% of words. Number 6. The total weight of ants on Earth once equal to the total weight of people. Entomologists have estimated that there are at least 1 million trillion insects and only 1% of that number is ants, according to the BBC. And if you took all those ants and put them on one side of a giant scale, you could almost put all the people in the world onto the other and balance things out. Unfortunately, as humans have become heavier, this probably wouldn't hold up today, but it did once. Francis Ratnick, professor of apiculture at the University of Sussex, told the BBC this might have held true around 2000 years ago. Fact number 5. Kids ask 300 questions a day. A UK study from online retailer littlewoods.com observed young children and recorded the question they asked the adults around them. The children tended to turn to their mothers for answers, and these moms could end up answering an average of nearly 300 questions per day, or one question every 2.5 minutes, the study found. The moms reported the hardest questions that were asked included: why is water wet and what are the shadows made up of? Fact number 4. Bees sometimes sting to other bees. Bees are notorious for their stings, but humans aren't the only ones who experience this pain in their neck or arm or their leg. In protecting their hives from outsiders, some guard bees will stay by the entrance and sniff the bees that come in, says Mariana Peso from the biology department of Macquarie University. If there's a rock bee from another hive trying to steal some nectar, the guard bee will bite and even sting the intruder. 3. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. While Scotland proudly boasts the Loch Ness Monster, one of the world's most famous fabled creatures, the country opted to make another mythical beast its national animal, the unicorn. Although this might seem like an odd choice, Visit Scotland explains that the unicorn played an integral role in the country's history. Back in 12th century, William I used the proud beast in the Scottish royal coat of arms. Fact number 2. Space smells like sheared steak. When you see footage of astronauts floating peacefully in space, do you ever wonder what do space smells like? Well, according to some former astronauts, space doesn't have a distinct odor that hangs around post-spacewalk. They have described it as hot metal or shearing steak. Fact number 1. The first computer was invented in the 1940s. These days, supercomputers are everywhere and they really don't need much space at all. Have an Xbox One posted up in your living room? That's a supercomputer. A laptop tablet hybrid in your bag? That's a supercomputer too. But when supercomputers first came around, they needed much space, much more space. Just take a look at the world's first one, the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, ENIAC.